Morning all, my name's Grant Chamberlain and I'm the owner and operator of Number 51 Creations. Just opened the YouTube channel, it'd be great if you could subscribe, but a few people have been asking about my workshop and where I work from, etc, etc. A lot of people think I've got a massive workshop, but I haven't. I can walk there in about 30 seconds. It's at the bottom of my garden and that's where I make everything from. And that's my workshop. So as you can see, I have to walk miles to work. It's nice and shady down here during the day. It's a bit hot in the afternoon. So here we are at my workshop. That was a present from my better half a little while ago. So it's quite funny really, because I do like my music. Normally rubbish music according to her, but there you go. So should we have a look inside? I'll tell you what we'll do, just have a quick peek, and then what we'll do, we'll wait till the next video to have a look round.